My name is Mark Florka. I'm the BAKERpedia Baked in Science podcast host, and I'm a BAKERpedia BAKERin influencer. And today I have for you some baked goods made from Heartland Mill organic flours. We have organic all-purpose flour, organic stone ground whole wheat, organic spelt, and organic light rye. And from that I've made a few different things here. I've made some laminated all butter croissants. We have some nice baguettes done in the traditional Polish style, and have some pan de campagna, which are made some with rye and some with spelt, and also have a 50% spelt loaf and a multigrain loaf with whole wheat, rye, and spelt. And so we're going to get into having a look at these and sampling them and tell you a little bit more about them. So first up we have baguettes, and these are made with the organic all-purpose flour that has been malted for just enough enzyme activity, using a basic Polish, giving it a lovely aroma, crisp crust, and still a great oven spring. Here we've made a couple of different whole grain breads, a whole grain spelt together with the all-purpose flour, and then a whole grain multigrain of spelt, rye, and whole wheat. These have a lovely nutty characteristic. They got good oven spring, nice crust, and a nice break, as you can see, and a nice open grain. And here we have a classic French farmer's loaf, pan de campagne. Two different styles done here, both with 20% whole wheat, but one with 5% spelt and the other with 5% rye. It gives them a lovely characteristic flavor, not overly sour, a beautiful open structure, and a nice chewy crust and interior, nice and moist, and just beautiful flavor. Again, all organic. Last but not least, we have organic butter croissants. These have been retarded and laminated in the traditional method, so it's an all organic butter croissant with flaky layers and just a beautiful crust and texture. Remember, Heartland Mill for all your organic flour needs. I'm Mark Florka, BAKERpedia's Baked in Science podcast host, and I'm a baker influencer.
I am Dr. Lynn.
I'm Oprah Davidson.
I am Gideon.
I am Mark.
And
We
are BAKERpedia
BAKERpedia
influencers.
influencers.